presented by Dr. Kalyan Varma, Professor, Forensic Medicine and Toxicology. Welcome to this educational video on the weights and measurements of main organs in adults. Understanding these values is crucial for both medical practice and forensic investigations. Let's dive into the details. Weights of main organs. Brain, male, 1,400 grams. Female, 1,275 grams. Note: the brain constitutes approximately 1.4% of the body weight in adults. Heart, male, 300 grams. Female, 250 grams. Lungs. Right lung typically weighs between 350 to 550 grams, while the left lung ranges from 325 to 475 grams. Spleen. It usually weighs between 150 to 200 grams. Stomach. It weighs around 300 grams and has a capacity of approximately 1,200 milliliters. The liver typically weighs between 1,400 and 1,500 grams. For the kidneys, the weight varies between males and females. In males, the kidneys generally weigh between 130 and 160 grams. For females, it's usually around 125 to 150 grams. The pancreas, on the other hand, has a weight range of about 50 to 100 grams. The uterus, in its non-pregnant state, typically weighs between 40 and 60 grams and measures around 7.5 by 5 by 2.5 centimeters. However, after pregnancy, a parous uterus can weigh anywhere from 80 to 120 grams, with dimensions increasing to approximately 30 by 25 by 20 centimeters. The thymus gland changes significantly throughout a person's life. At birth, it weighs about 15 grams. By puberty, it reaches its peak weight of around 35 grams. By the age of 25, it decreases slightly to 25 grams, and by 60 years, it returns to its initial weight of about 15 grams. The prostate gland typically weighs between 15 and 20 grams. Tests, weighing between 10 to 14 grams each, with a volume of 12 to 30 cubic centimeters. Thyroid, ranging from 20 to 40 grams. Suprarenals or adrenal glands, weighing about 5 to 6 grams each. Placenta, 500 grams. Lengths of main structures in adults. Spinal cord, 45 centimeters. The trachea, also known as the windpipe, measures about 12 centimeters in length. The esophagus, which is the tube connecting the throat to the stomach, is approximately 25 centimeters long. The small intestine, a crucial part of the digestive system, ranges from 550 to 650 centimeters in length. The large intestine, well, it measures about 150 to 170 centimeters. The ureter, on the other hand, is approximately 25 centimeters long. The length of the urethra varies between males and females. In males, it measures about 20 to 25 centimeters, whereas in females, it's considerably shorter, around 2.5 to 4 centimeters. The duodenum, is approximately 20 to 30 centimeters in length. The thoracic duct measures around 40 to 45 centimeters. The vas deferens, well, is about 40 to 45 centimeters long. The inguinal canal, measuring approximately 3.5 centimeters, is a significant anatomical structure. The uterus varies in size depending on certain factors. In a virgin female, it typically measures 7 by 5 by 2 centimeters. In a parous female, it generally measures 10 by 6 by 2.5 centimeters. The fallopian tube, an essential part of the female reproductive system, usually measures between 10 to 12 centimeters in length. Vagina. The anterior wall measures 7.5 centimeters, while the posterior wall measures 10 centimeters. Measurements of the heart. Wall thickness. The left ventricle ranges from 10 to 15 millimeters, or 1.5 centimeters. The right ventricle measures 3 to 5 millimeters, or 0.5 centimeters. Lastly, the atria measure 1 to 3 millimeters, or 0.3 centimeters. Valves circumference, mnemonic TMPA. Tricuspid valve, 12 centimeters, 11.5 and 10.5 centimeters. Mitral valve, 10 centimeters, 9.5 and 8.5 centimeters. Pulmonary valve, 8.5 centimeters, 6.6 and 6.2 centimeters. Aortic valve, 7.5 centimeters, 6.7 and 6.3 centimeters. Weight of the heart. For males, it's 300 grams. For females, it's 250 grams. This weight represents approximately 0.4 to 0.5% of body weight in adults. Important points about the brain. The adult brain consists of 60% white matter and 40% gray matter. Cerebral blood flow is 55 milliliters per 100 grams per minute, with 75 milliliters per 100 grams per minute in gray matter and 30 milliliters per 100 grams per minute in white matter. A critical flow level is 18 milliliters per 100 grams per minute, below which unconsciousness occurs. Cerebral oxygen consumption is 3.5 milliliters per 100 grams per minute, which is 20% of whole body oxygen consumption. Gray matter uses 3 milliliters per 100 grams per minute, and white matter uses 0.5 milliliters per 100 grams per minute. Glucose utilization is 5 milligrams per 100 grams per minute. By 5 years of age, a child's brain reaches adult dimensions. Understanding these weights and measurements is essential for medical students, as they provide a baseline for identifying abnormalities and conducting forensic investigations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this information proves helpful in your studies and future medical practice.